Let's talk about the future of iOS, and that is iOS 5. iOS 5 is a major release. This is incredible for our developers and for our customers. Notification Center is a single place which combines together all of your notifications. You can get to it at any time from anywhere on your iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch just by swiping your finger down from the top to reveal the Notification Center. So we think it is beautiful. It has your missed calls and voicemails, text messages, mail messages, scoring alerts, Facebook updates, any push notifications that come from the App Store all end up right here in Notification Center. And we've even added stocks and weather right up top. Now, we didn't stop there. Notifications are no longer interrupting. So now if you're playing a game and someone sends you, say, a text message, you get a nice animation from the top. It's right there. You can keep on playing your game, and it'll automatically dismiss itself. You could have just tapped on it, and it would take you to that app. But it doesn't matter, because you can always get back to it at any time just by swiping your finger down from the top. We've also improved the lock screen. You can see more information for notifications here. And one of my favorite features is for any one of the notifications in the lock screen, you can just slide your finger across it, and it takes you directly to the app that sent the notification, Newsstand. You know, I love reading newspapers and magazines right on my iPhone and my iPad. And recently, we added subscriptions. And this makes it easier for you to get all of the new issues without missing anything. Already, most of the major publishers of magazines and many of newspapers have signed up to support subscriptions. And we've now created a single place right in the App Store that combines all of these newspaper and magazines, so you can find them all in one place. When you purchase them, they're automatically downloaded and placed in the Newsstand. It's a new place right on the home screen. Looks like this beautiful news rack. In addition to this, we do background downloads. We want to make it even easier for all of our customers to use Twitter on iOS products. We're doing a number of things for this. First, we're adding single sign-on. So now, when you go to the Settings app that's built in on the iPhone or iPad, you can enter your username and password, and now you're configured for Twitter. For any app you download off the App Store, it'll just say, "Can I use your credentials?" When you say yes, you're logged in. You don't need to re-log in every single time. So single sign-on. Next, we've integrated Twitter in with many of our apps, like Camera and Photos. So now if you're at a concert and you take a photo and you want to tweet that photo, just tap on the Action button. It's a new option, Tweet, and it brings up this beautiful tweet sheet. Gives you a nice thumbnail of the photo, gives you a countdown of how many characters you have left to type, and you can even optionally add your location, tap on that, and then you've tweeted the photo. It's that simple. In addition to tweeting from Photos and Camera, you can tweet articles from Safari, websites. You can tweet videos from YouTube, and you can tweet about businesses or locations from Maps. Beyond all of this, we added integration with contacts. Now, you might have a lot of contacts that don't have photos, but Twitter may have photos for those people. And so you can use Twitter to automatically update the photos in your contact list and even the @username for your friends. And that's Twitter integration throughout the OS. But we want to make using the camera even better, and that's what we're doing. The first thing we're doing is making it way faster to just get in and take a photo. And you can even use the volume up button now to click the photo. Once you've taken your great photos, you can now edit them right on your iPhone and your iPad. You can do things like crop and rotate, red eye reduction. So if you've taken the photo at left where the flash has caused a red eye, you can automatically remove that red eye right on your iPhone or iPad. And we even brought over the one-click enhance that we pioneered in iPhoto on the Mac, and it brought that to iOS. So you can see when you applied one tap enhance to the right, how the color tones look so much nicer, how it pulls detail out of shadow. It's really nice. Now, Mail is one of the most used applications on both the iPhone, iPod, and iPod Touch, or iPad and iPod Touch. And we're making it even better in iOS 5. We're adding rich text formatting, so you can set things as bold, italic, and underline. You can control the indentation. So if you're forwarding something, you can unindent it or further indent it. You can now drag the addresses between to CC and BCC. You don't have to retype them again. We've added support for flagging, so you can flag and unflag. Now, this next one has been an incredibly popular request. In addition to searching from, to, and subject, you can search the entire contents of all your messages, both the messages on your phone and all of the messages back on the Mail server. So search the entire contents of your messages. For the iPad, we added a really nice swipe to inbox gesture, so it makes it really nice to use this in portraits. You can swipe it on, tap on something, swipe it off. We are launching a new messaging service between all iOS 5 customers. And we call it iMessage. iOS 5 will ship to all of our customers this fall. iOS 5 will support the same devices that we supported with our last software update. So that's the iPhone 3GS and iPhone 4, all the iPads, iPad, and iPad 2, and the third and fourth generation iPod Touch. And that is iOS 5. Thanks.